Hey guys, everyone needs extra money and this is a right place to figure out 10 easy ways to make extra cash online. Watch it all to learn how browsing a website can be paid. Earn by checking prices and snapping photos. Ever fancied being a secret agent? If you've got an iPhone or Android phone, a free app called Field Agent could be your chance. When companies need a small market research task done, it's sent out via the app. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to check prices in stores, take photos of products, and pen reviews. It typically pays £4.5 per task, but can be between £2 and £10. You are competing against others for jobs and won't get lucky every time, so don't get too excited. But it's well worth signing up in case they do come up. Quick summary. Who's it good for? Smartphone owners who can nip out for quick tasks. Typical earnings £10 per month. Payment method cash via PayPal. How much you need to earn before it pays? No minimum. How can you earn maximum cash? Here are some tips to max your earnings. Check jobs daily, even on Sundays. The best times to check the app are before 9 a.m. and after 1 p.m. Like its Facebook page. Field Agent often posts upcoming jobs there. Ensure your phone's GPS is switched on. Some tasks are based on geographic location. Check your phone battery's charge too. Do tasks efficiently. You are scored on each task you complete, and agents with higher scores get first dibs on jobs. Become a mobile market researcher. The Be My Eye app pays you to carry out quick and simple market research via your mobile. Simply download for iPhone or Android and check it regularly for upcoming jobs in your area. The app works with big brands such as Coca-Cola, Nestle, and Heineken. When we logged on, tasks included browsing shoe shops, buying a drink in a bar, and sending photos of how razor blades are displayed in a pharmacy. BYI typically pays from £6 to £18 per task, depending on the difficulty. That amount may sometimes cover your expenses too. Payment can take 3 to 4 days. Jobs are snapped up quickly, so consider turning on notifications on your phone so you get alerts as they are issued. Who is it good for? People based near shops and restaurants. Typical earnings from £6 to £18 per task. Payment method: PayPal or bank transfer. How much you need to earn before it pays? £5 or £20. Get paid for odd jobs, for example, Airbnb checks. Free app Cheaper pays from £10 to £20 for quick odd jobs. It works with big brands such as Aviva, L'Oreal, and Airbnb. Tasks are as varied as spot checking Airbnb properties, checking billboards for graffiti, and helping insurers gather evidence by asking questions about burst pipes. In some cases, you may need to visit properties where other people will be present, such as tenants or cleaners who are working. Shapr says users are fully insured and it takes precautions to ensure your safety, including reviewing every booking that it receives. It may be worth taking extra steps too, such as telling a friend or family member where you'll be and arranging to contact them after you finish the job. Remember to trust your instincts. If you feel uncomfortable with any job, simply leave it. To sign up, download the Cheaper app for iPhone or Android. You'll need to show your passport or driving license, do 15 minutes training, and pass a multiple choice test. Remember to invoice. Do not, unlike with most other earning apps, you need to invoice Cheaper each month to get your earnings. It sends you a blank template to complete and email back to it. You must invoice within 3 months. Who is it good for? Those based in cities will probably find more jobs, but Cheaper says it's worth it even if you live in a small village. Typical earnings from £10 to £20 per task. Payment method: monthly wire bank transfer. Get cash for iPhone pics. Sell photos to magazines and newspapers. If you are a budding photographer, you can put them up for sale on stock photography websites, where designers, newspapers, and publishers buy pictures. For most, you need a proper camera, but we've also found an iPhone app that lets you sell snaps you've taken on your mobile. This isn't a guaranteed money spinner. Some money savers have reported making hundreds of pounds. Others have ended up with peanuts. You'll earn a small amount each time someone buys your pics, but it can add up and there are some restrictions, for example, when photos include people or logos. Got an iPhone? Sell your snaps via an app. If you own an iPhone 5 or above, download the free Stockimo app and you can upload photos taken on your handset to sell on Elamis stock photography site. Stockimo is compatible with iOS 7 and above. There is no Android version currently. Images sell for anything from £10 to £360. You'll get 20% Stockimo pays via PayPal each month you earn more than $10. Get paid to snap photos, count stock, and more. Fancy getting paid to buy beer? Free app Roamler pays you for tasks such as counting stock in shops, snapping menu cards in restaurants, and even buying a beer to photograph how it's served. As with Field Agent, when firms need easy market research done, it's sent out via the app. Roamler typically pays £4 per task, but it can vary between £2 and £10. The catch is the app is invite-only in certain areas. Roamler's press office says it's pretty easy to get one if you monitor its Facebook page for hints on how. Who is it good for? Smartphone users. Typical earnings, £10 per month. Payment method, cash via PayPal. How much you need to earn before it pays? No minimum. Get paid for easy market research tasks. Built as a grown-up treasure hunt, Street Sport is another app that connects market research clients with users who carry out small tasks. Some money savers have pocketed £15 for buying a hot drink at a muffin shop, though most tasks pay about a fiver. Other jobs could include photography, supermarket product displays, or checking restaurant menus. Street Spotter is a German company, but it pays UK users in pounds. As with most other location-based apps, the closer you are to a high street, the more jobs are likely up for grabs. Who is it good for? Town dwelling smartphone users. Typical earnings, £10 per month. Payment method, cash via PayPal. How much you need to earn before it pays? No minimum. Get paid for small research tasks. Fancy a change from the same old shop-based research tasks? Then have a gander at Task 360, an iPhone-only app from the people who brought you Field Agent above. You can download it from the App Store. The app focuses on helping companies solve logistical problems such as giving sat-nav firms info on no left turn signs or checking billboard ads lights work. It typically pays from £5 to £10 for 15 minutes work. To bag the best jobs, check every morning before 9 a.m., especially on Mondays. Who is it good for? iPhone users. Typical earnings, £20 per month. Payment method, cash via PayPal. How much you need to earn before it pays? £10. Get paid for small tasks in shops. Another free app that pays you to complete small tasks in shop, Click and Walk, is available via the App Store and Google Play. It's one of the lower paying apps. While it's a French company, you get paid in pounds. The amount for shop-based tasks is normally €5, so you'll typically get around £4. Who is it good for? Retail enthusiasts. Typical earnings, £4 per month if you're lucky. Payment method, cash via PayPal. How much you need to earn before it pays? £4. And the last one, get paid to test companies' websites. Companies are desperate to make their websites better places for people to visit, so user testing is big business. Sign up to What Users Do and you can earn £5 for a 15-minute website test. These involve easy tests such as trying to find something on a site or fitting back on a new homepage. The company records your screen and voice so you can feedback throughout the test. You need a computer with a built-in or separate microphone. But don't worry, your face isn't recorded, so you can still do it in your gym jams. Who is it good for? Web enthusiasts. Typical earnings, £25 per month. Payment method, cash via PayPal. How much you need to earn before it pays? No minimum. Thank you for watching this video, and we are preparing more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.